Video 4 will explain how to complete a fluid order. When a fluid order is sent to your tablet, you will receive 3 new messages. You will then receive a form asking if you want to start the trip. You should only click yes to this message after you've completed your pre-trip inspection form. If your pre-trip inspection is done in 15 minutes and there is an order planned for the start of your shift, your tablet will have enough time to clear old information off the tablet. It is crucial for you to give the tablet enough time to cancel all assignments in your pre-trip inspection. If you do not, your tablet may not clear old orders and you may receive wrong information. Once you start the correct trip, you can view the workflow. Each section in this form needs to be completed from top to bottom. If you complete your workflow out of order, it will not accurately record the times for each section. Please pay attention to what section you are arriving and departing from. In every fluid order, you will always have 3 sections of the workflow to arrive and depart from: begin empty, live load, and live unload. If this were the last order for your shift, you will always receive a 4th end empty section to complete. You can view the messages that correspond with your workflow by clicking on the messages icon and then clicking on the inbox icon. Our begin empty is at the Carlisle terminal, live load location is Walmart, and our live unload location is Sheetz. The begin empty section will always start at your assigned terminal or the last location from your previous order. In this example, we are simply viewing and confirming these locations we are assigned to go to, viewing the notes, directions, address, and any other information we will need for the locations before we begin our trip. First, you will want to arrive at the Carlisle terminal and send the trailer info form. Please always include your actual trailer number in the highlighted field. After sending the arrive form, you will be placed in your messages. Go back to the home screen, click on your workflow, and depart from the terminal. You can now drive to your pickup point. Once you arrive at your pickup point, complete the information required as well as any other information you have. Please note that the ordered barrels may be different from what you actually loaded. Anything you enter in this field will automatically override the ordered barrel amount. After you complete this form, click Send. You will then be redirected back to the messages. Go back to the home screen when you are ready to leave the location. Click on the workflow icon and then depart from the location. You can now drive to your unloading point. You will then complete the last section of the workflow, the live unload. Once you arrive at your unloading location, complete the information required as well as any other information you have, such as the disposal ticket number. All of Equipment Transport's Texas locations require the driver to enter his actual disposal ticket number, even though it is not highlighted. Send the form when you are finished. Lastly, you will want to click on your workflow to depart from this location. At this time, you may receive new messages for your next planned order. In this case, there is no planned order, and after we have clicked Depart from our last location, the workflow icon is gray. Please call dispatch for your next order assignment. This concludes video 4. Please see video 5 for instructions to complete a waste workflow order.